Casement windows are a timeless choice for homeowners seeking a blend of style, functionality, and energy efficiency. Hinged on the side and opening outward like a door, these windows provide excellent ventilation, unobstructed views, and a sleek aesthetic that complements various architectural styles. However, achieving the full benefits of casement windows requires precise installation, which is where professional services come into play. For Orangeburg residents, investing in professional casement window installation ensures durability, energy efficiency, and flawless operation for years to come. Let's explore why hiring experts for casement window installation is essential and what to expect from professional services in Orangeburg. The importance of professional installation. Casement windows are designed to be highly efficient and functional, but improper installation can compromise their performance. Here's why professional installation matters. Energy efficiency. Correctly installed casement windows create a tight seal when closed, preventing drafts and heat loss. Professionals ensure that your windows meet energy efficiency standards, helping you save on utility bills. Durability. Proper alignment and secure mounting protect your windows from premature wear and damage caused by shifting or external elements. Smooth operation. Casement windows operate with a crank mechanism, which must be installed with precision to ensure smooth and effortless functionality. Weatherproofing. Professional installers use high-quality materials to seal your windows, protecting your home from water leaks and humidity common in Orangeburg's climate. Benefits of hiring Orangeburg professionals. When you choose a local Orangeburg installation service, you gain access to professionals who understand the unique needs of the area's climate and architecture. Expert knowledge of Orangeburg's climate. Orangeburg's hot summers, mild winters, and occasional storms require windows that can withstand temperature fluctuations and humidity. Local professionals recommend the best materials and features, such as low-E glass and insulated frames, to maximize your window's performance in this climate. Tailored solution. Every home is unique, and local experts take the time to assess your property's specific needs. Whether it's choosing the right size, frame material, or design, professionals provide customized solutions that align with your home's style and functionality requirements. Quality assurance. Professional installation services guarantee top-notch workmanship. Many companies also offer warranties for both products and labor, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. What to expect from professional installation services. Hiring a professional casement window installer ensures a smooth, hassle-free process. Here's what you can expect. Assessment and consultation. The process begins with an in-home consultation. An expert will evaluate your existing windows, measure openings, and discuss your preferences. They'll recommend options that suit your budget, design goals, and energy efficiency needs. Window removal. If you're replacing old windows, the installation team will carefully remove them, ensuring minimal disruption to your home. Proper removal prevents damage to surrounding walls and frames. Precise installation. The new casement windows are installed with precision, ensuring they are level, plumb, and securely mounted. Professionals use high-quality weatherproofing materials to seal the windows, protecting against air and water leaks. Final inspection and cleanup. After installation, the team will inspect the windows for proper operation and clean up the work area, leaving your home spotless. They'll also provide guidance on how to operate and maintain your new windows. Features to look for in a professional installer. When choosing a casement window installation service in Orangeburg, consider the following. Experience. Look for companies with a proven track record of successful installations and positive customer reviews. Certifications. Ensure the installers are licensed, insured, and certified by reputable organizations or manufacturers. Comprehensive services. Choose a company that offers a range of options, from energy-efficient windows to custom designs. Warranty. A reliable installer will back their work with a warranty, ensuring you're covered in case of issues. The value of professional installation. While DIY installations may seem cost-effective, they often lead to costly repairs or inefficiencies down the line. Professional installation services provide long-term savings. Energy-efficient windows installed correctly reduce heating and cooling costs. Increased home value. Expertly installed windows enhance your home's curb appeal and market value. Peace of mind. Knowing your windows are installed to the highest standards ensures you won't face unexpected issues. Conclusion. Professional casement window installation services are essential for Orangeburg homeowners who want to maximize the beauty, functionality, and efficiency of their homes. With local expertise, tailored solutions, and attention to detail, professionals deliver results that stand the test of time. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, reach out to a trusted Orangeburg window installation service today. From consultation to final inspection, professionals ensure a seamless process, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of casement windows for years to come. Invest in your home's comfort and value with expertly installed casement windows, an upgrade that truly makes a difference.